It is so windy today. It's 21 kilometers an hour. Hanse Legian. This is where I am right now. Hanse Legian, it means Legian Beach. Hello, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, men and women. Greetings from the beautiful paradise, Bali Island. How you doing, ladies and gentlemen? Since hope you have a fantastic day. As Bobo here again, and welcome back to my channel as Bali with Bobo. I'm here in Kuta. This is Legian Beach. Today, we'll be wandering around Legian footpath. We'll be showing you how is Legian situation here today. Hey, good afternoon. It's beautiful afternoon here.
Yes, it is.
So we'll be showing you Legian Beach situation here today, and I am recording that video on Thursday afternoon. This is around 1 o'clock p.m. and this is March 20th 2025. So if you guys want to know more about this, stay tuned. Talking about Legian, this is one of the best beach bar you're gonna find along here. As you can see here on the left hand side, this is the beach bar, and the wave is a little bit rough today. I don't think today is a good day for swimming, but the good thing was the sun is shining, the weather is hot, the temperature is 31 degrees Celsius. It feels like it's 38 degrees Celsius. And yesterday was raining. Yesterday was raining all day long. Yesterday was raining from 6 o'clock in the morning until 8 o'clock at night. But the good thing was it's not really downpouring. It's pretty much like raining or drizzling, but it's all day long. So talking about the rain, wet season is still here. Usually wet season is gonna end at the end of March, and after that we are gonna have dry season. Talking about the season here in Bali, we have two seasons here. It's wet and dry. So when it's wet season, we have a lot of rain, and when it's dry season, it's sunshine every single day, but sometimes it's raining because Bali is tropical country, so as tropical rain can be happen any day, any time of the year. Well, as we can see here in that video, most of the bar is pretty quiet. I can see there are few tourists are sitting, drinking bintang, enjoying their afternoon on the beach, but I would say the place is not so busy as it used to be. Okay, so I think yeah, we're gonna keep walking, and over there is the bathroom. I think I'm gonna walk on the sand, get close to the water, get close to the beach, showing you the wave. So talking about the wave here, quick question for you guys. Have you ever had a bad experience here in Legian Beach or a good experience here in Legian Beach? If you have, please put a comment down below. Would like to know about your experience here. Well, it seems there are a lot of trash. A lot of trash today. 31 degrees Celsius with 21 kilometers an hour temperatures, yes. Perfect, perfect. This side here, it seems it's a little bit busy. I can see more people here on this side. And there is a nice restaurant in here. They got outdoor sitting area. It's on the sand. Well, let me show you this restaurant here on the right hand side. This restaurant is called Warung Happy. It seems pretty busy here. I would say most of the chair is occupied. It's occupied. We are going to walk over there, and this is the entrance. Straight over there is two Palmer area. I'm gonna take you a walk here. We can find here there are lots of bulldozer. So this is the bulldozer they gonna use to clean up the beach, removing the trash. Oh my god, there are lots of them. This is cost $1 million. It costs $1 million to buy this, and they have a lot of this. And this is a scooter and car parking area. So if you guys want to park your car here, gonna cost you 5K idea, which is about 50 cents Australian dollar. And if you guys come with scooter, want to park here, gonna cost you like 3K, which is about 3 cents Australian dollars. It's very small parking area. You're gonna walk down, and over there you can see there is a swimming pool. That swimming pool is a part of the hotel. It's Legian, I mean it's Palmer Hotel, I believe. Palmer Hotel in Palmer Street. So we are going back to the footpath. And then right here there is another restaurant. This restaurant is pretty busy as well. Hey, what's going on? This restaurant here on the right hand side is called Seas Cafe and Eatery. This place is, it seems so quiet. I don't see any single of customers. And the next bar is seems so busy. I can see there are so many people there. All right, ladies and gentlemen, I'm gonna wrap up the video until here, and I want to say thanks so much for watching. We'll see you again in my next video. Have a great day, take care, and don't forget to keep smiling.